Hello, good morning everybody. Today are our topics multiplication by vertical cross method. Dear student, previous classes we read 2 digit and 3 digit multiplication by vertical cross method. Yeah, Vedic Vidhi. So, in this example, listen me carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 digit and multiplication by cross vertical and crosswise method. So previous classes 2 digit vertical crosswise method in 3 step 3 digit vertical crosswise method in 5 digit, and this is 4 digit numbers in multiplication show 7 step. First step, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. This is 7 step of in this question solved. So this point indicate by in this number and this point indicate by in this number. This is 1 and this is 2, this is 3 and this is 5. This is 3, 4, 2 and 5. Same as indicate by in this number. So first of step 1, go to step 1. In this 1 and 5. So first step in multiplication, 1 into 5. 1 into 5. 5 1 ja 5. So step 1 is complete. Step 1 is complete. Second of in this step and in this number multiplication, in this 2 and 5. So 2 into 5 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 5 2 ja 10 and 1 2 ja 2. This is plus 10 2 is equal to 12. 12 of 2. So step 1 is 1 into 5. So we write this 5 1 ja 5. Step 2 is complete, is 12 answer. So 2 take 2 and 1 is carry. 1 is carry. Plus 2, next step. Step 3, in this number multiply in this number and in this number and in this number. This is 1 and 3 step, 1 and 4. So 1 into 4 plus second of state 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Third of 3 into 5. 3 into 5 plus 3 into 5. 1 4 ja 4 plus 2 2 ja 4 plus and 5 3 ja 15 plus the carry. Previous number is carry, so is plus 1 is equal to 4 4 8 8 15 23 and 1 24. Your answer is 24 and step 3 is complete. So 24 of 4, we write this 4 and carry of 2. Carry of 2. Go to step 4. Step 4 is all numbers are multiplication first into last and last into first. All numbers are crosswise multiplications. So 1 into 3. First of 1 into 3 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 and 3 step is 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 and next step 5 and last 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 1 into 3, 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 2 into 4, 2 into 4. 2 into 4 and 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 and last of first number and last number 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So 1 3 ja 3 plus 4 2 ja 8 plus 3 2 ja 6 plus 5 5 ja 25 and next number previous number carry is 2, right? So 3 8 3 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 25, 17 plus 25 is 42 and 42 plus 2 is equal to 44. 44. 44 of 4 and carry of 4. Step number 5 go to, this is step number is complete and 4 complete 5 go to 5 is first number after second number start is 2 into 3. 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 plus state 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus is last number and second number is 5 into 2. 5 into 2. 3 to just 6 plus 3 4 just 12 plus 5 to just 10 and carry out 4. So add this 12 6 18, 18 plus 10 is equal to 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. Is step number 5 is complete. 32 of 2. 32 of 2 and carry of 3. Step number 6 go to complete is last 2 digit is multiplied is crosswise 5 into 4 3 into 3. 5 into 4 plus 3 into 3. 3 into 3. 5 4 is 20 plus 3 3 is 9 plus carry of 3. So 20 plus 9, 29 plus 3, 29 plus 3 is equal to 32. 32 of 2. 32 of 2 and carry of 3. Carry of 3. This 6th step is complete, right? Second step only is 2 numbers multiplied is last number 5 and 3. So 5 into 3 is 5 3 ja 15 and carry of 3 is equal to 18. 18 is complete. You write this 18. Your answer is 18 2 2 4 and 2 5. 2 5. Right? This is your answer and what vertical and crosswise method is complete and your classwork, online classwork and your homework, practice work, homework. Thank you. Have a nice day. है।